Check out this Canary Island date palm I grew from seed about a year and a half ago in this 2-gallon container. Look at all the roots in this thing. You can see where he originally was at this line here, because he was originally in a 1-gallon. And then all this new growth, big old roots. We clearly love this container because Canary Island date palms have very deep root systems. Oh, there went the bottom part that I was actually going to root prune off anyways. But look at all these roots. I'm actually going to put this back into the 1-gallon container just to take a photo shoot to put on my website. And all this soil kind of concerns me with root rot because I did have it in like this container filled with water, and yeah, so yeah, let's get this guy put into 1 gallon and take a photo shoot. Look at this beautiful 1-gallon Canary Island date palm. Now this is something you don't see very often. I've actually never seen a Canary Island date palm in a 1 gallon before. They're typically at 15, 25 gallon containers. 24-inch box, and then much bigger. But look at this guy, he's so cool. I was growing them in this 2-gallon, and then I just chopped it in half and plop it right into this. So now I can sell him if I wanted to. I really just needed him for a photo for my website. So now I can sell off of him. I'm not actually going to sell him because I want to keep him for more photo shoots because he looks really good. Yeah, I just ordered some larger containers, 11 by 24s from Stewie and Sons. Just waiting for those to get here probably next week, and I'm going to put them in those. What's nice about that size is once it grows into that, I can chop it in half and I can put it into a 5-gallon and then do a photo shoot with that in case anybody wants to buy a 5-gallon, which I have sold once. It's not too hard to ship that either.